Riding.
Okay. That's a clean look right there, man. Not too much.
Not too much. Not too much. Great look.
And Mr. Minor, say what's up to the people.
Hello, how y'all today?
Amp install, Honda Accord, with a cap. You know what we do. Streamline. Everybody say what's up to #1 tent man in the area. This is Fernando, man.
Yeah.
Best tent man in the world.
Yeah.
That's my word. This dude Jeff always be pulling the moves called the Jeff.
Nah, it's called a Phil.
Call him the Jeff, man.
Phil, where the key at, Phil?
Mess around, give him something, he forget it, and then he act like it ain't happened.
Start on it now.
He can start on it today, but what you want to do? I mean, you want
Nothing like getting marriage advice from somebody 33 years in.
Oh yeah. It's real, man.
It's real.
It ain't. So I got the water pump in my pocket.
Smile like you feel. You're the man.
When y'all see my bus fucking up, he did it. No, I'm just joking. That's man that be hooking us up, man.
Mr. Ola, man.
Yes.
The one and only.
We ain't here, baby.
Well, you know I got that knockout. Take it down, savage, make it down, pull it.
Trying to get my last look, alright. She be there forever. Whenever I want to get up in the guts, alright. Never fuck the fight. On the grind trying to find these ladies.
I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon.
Immature beard, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get it healthy like my man.
Put it back on. Huh?
We're done. Finally done. Good night, y'all. It's 10 o'clock.